So, ma'am, if I think you went through that kind of question, I want to ask if you are in any critical situations, okay, and you are alone, no one was there, so you have to call someone. So you can call maximum 3 people.
Okay.
So who will be that person and why?
Okay.
Like overnight, you got famous, okay. And the first early morning, you are able to see that, oh my god, like it surpasses the millions, million subscribers. Then firstly, to whom will you call and inform firstly this goodness? If I am alone and I am recording myself, I find myself very confident. But when it comes to speak in front of others, I fumble, I stumble a lot. So it's the problem. So please give some, tricks and say something about that. If the people are, they are thinking, I'm not up to the mark. Okay. If I will speak something, it could be clumsy or something. So that kind of doubt always happen with the learner who want to start this journey. So do you have something to speak about this?
People often
Yeah.
show their strengths. People often show their, happy life, but they always hide the setbacks, challenges, right? What
Ah,
kind of mistakes they are making while speaking. But if we show them, like, okay, if you will start, probably you also have to face such problems, okay? So you don't need to quit because it happens with everyone. Not you are not all alone. It can happen with you as well. So we should show them both parts of our life, okay? Weaknesses and strengths.
so do you think, ma'am, like this language can enhance indirectly our personality?
Oh, a very good morning, Reena ji. A very warm welcome to this session. So, thank you so much for being here. I'm really excited and delighted to have you here. So, I'm sure that today's session will be very informative and inspiring. So, let's introduce yourself first.
I hope so, the same, ma'am. And thank you so much accepting my request. For long, I have been waiting for this time, and now this day came. Definitely, this session will be amazing because you are here with us.
Oh my God.
So,
Okay.
yeah,
So, please introduce yourself.
okay. So, my name is Reena Kashyap, and I'm connecting with you from Jharkhand, born and raised in Jharkhand itself. And I have been working as an operational assistant in mining sector for the last 4 years. And talking about my interest and hobbies, I love dancing and little bit travel enthusiast. And I'm a mother of twins. That's pretty much about me. And nowadays, I'm running a small YouTube channel. And 2 months ago, I started this. That's it about me. And I would like to hear about you. Please.
Yes, sure, why not? But it's a lovely introduction and great to know that you are also running a YouTube channel. Nowadays, everyone wants to do, especially women want to do something. So this is the way we can upgrade ourselves, keep updating ourselves day by day. Right. So coming to me, my name is Meenakshi. I hail from Punjab. Currently, I am homemaker, a proud mother of one daughter. Meanwhile, I am also running a small YouTube channel by the name of English with Meenakshi. Simultaneously, I teach spoken. So I have 3, 4 students. I teach them. So yes, my hobbies are learning new skills, expanding my knowledge day by day. So this is the way, by taking help of YouTube, every day I learn from my co-learners and I am learning so many things from them. So it's a nutshell introduction from my side.
Amazing. And there is no doubt I have been watching your video with many co-learners. First I glanced your video with Rajni ma'am. It was amazing. I think it was of 1 year back when maybe you started that journey. And a few days ago, I watched one video with Mino ma'am.
Okay.
It was amazing, and it was very humorous way. That video was very engaging. So I can say your you given your 100% effort into this, and you burned midnight all, no doubt, because your fluency and how much you are eloquent in this language, so it showed up. So
Thank
please, I want to know few tips for my viewers. Still, they are struggling and they are still thinking to speak up in front of public, but still they are not able to speak. Still, I am that one, and I have to, put lots of courage. Then I am able to speak with my
Okay.
colleague even. So please give some tips so they can motivate at the same time.
Yes, yes. I also want to become a motivational speaker, right? But thank you so much for appreciating me. Your encouragement means a lot. So yes, coming to me, Reena ji, it initial days it was quite difficult for me. It was a daunting task, I would say. But over the period of time, it became easy. Life always can't be in your favor. I guess I mentioned this line in many of my sessions, right? Every day you have to face some challenges, but show must go on. Every day you have to show up for yourself. If you can't give 1 hour to yourself, give at least 15 minutes. Those days when you are occupied somewhere. Okay, the method is different, methods are different, everything is different, but your aura should be positive. Okay, there should not be a low self-esteem. Sometimes we don't believe in ourselves. Sometimes we criticize ourselves that I am doing nothing. Okay, so first of all, you should have believe in yourself that whatever my goal is, whatever my ambition is, I'm going to fulfill it. No matter how many obstacles are there in my way, but definitely I'll achieve this one day. Never try to be perfect. Perfection is not there. Okay, if you wait for perfection, you can't take one step forward. Okay, so if you will take only one step, definitely you will means if you climb a one stair, definitely you will reach on your destination. No matter how long it will take, how much time it will take, not depend, right? So I would say, and I would motivate viewers, then don't wait for the perfection, and don't try to be perfect. Start from today. Everything takes time. If you are hungry, okay, if you have a strong appetite and you are going to your kitchen, so food, making food also taking time, okay, before producing it. So you have to wait for everything. So be patient, hold your horses, start from today, and wait for the day when you will definitely shine, because success is inevitable. You will definitely see your success one day, today or later. It is there, I would say, because learning never goes in vain.
Yeah, exactly. And what's the problem with many co-learner? Actually, they have lots of self-doubt.
Huh.
And I also went through that. I can correlate that. Like, if we are doubting ourselves, we are not able to utter a single sentence in front of anyone.
Hmm.
And it's not about only language and way of speaking. Some people they are doubting about themselves. They are not liking themselves.
Yes.
And some people they are not ready to have video session just because of they are not accepting themselves.
Yes.
If they are not accepting themselves, how can they suppose to others? So
Right.
that's the things. Many people they are saying I'm not okay with video call. I want only audio call. Okay. it's okay. I'm respecting them. But how can they improve?
Yes.
And what will happen when they have to speak in front of people? We are not here for our self improvement only. I can speak ourselves. Yeah, if I am alone and I am recording myself, I find myself very confident. But when it comes to speak in front of others, I fumble, I stumble a lot. So it's the problem. So please give some, tricks and say something about that. If the people are, they are thinking, I'm not up to the mark. Okay. If I will speak something, uh, it could be clumsy or something. So that kind of doubt always happen with the learner who want to start this journey. So do you have something to speak about this?
Okay. First of all, they should believe in the high self-esteem. Okay. They have to stop comparing themselves with others. Okay. Too much self-criticism can lower a person's confidence as well. Right? If I am criticizing myself over and again, so definitely I lose my confidence one way or another, because universe always listens to me. Okay.
Yeah.
For instance, I always encourage others. I can encourage others. I can motivate others. If someone loses something, if they have participate in something but they lose or they defeat from that particular skill, so now they are talking to me, like the person is talking to me, and I am encouraging. Like failures are not the end. Okay, failures and mistakes are proof that we have to work upon that particular skill once again, and you will definitely win. Okay, but when it comes to me, even if I get only one failure, so why I start self criticism? Why I start saying that I am not good enough? Okay, I am very good. I have confidence, but that mistakes made me realize that diamond still needs polishing. Right? I can found my gray areas. These are my gray areas. I should focus more upon those gray areas. Okay.
Mm.
So, if you are putting efforts, if you are dedicating yourself to do something in your life, that definitely you will make mistakes. Okay. And if I am capable enough today, I can talk to you. You are you feel that like this person can give me guidance one way or another. So do you know that how I was on my during my initial days, I was zero. But how did I learn? I learned from my mistakes. My mistakes helped me to grow. Mistakes helped me to achieve this level. If I have a doubt, or I was afraid of making mistakes, then how would I achieve this level? Right?
Yeah.
So you should be confident. No matter, I am going to make mistakes, but I will definitely speak fluently. Right? Learning or speaking in English is not an innate quality in everyone. This is an innate quality only for foreigners, not for us, not for Indian people. Okay, everyone has to learn, everyone has to put efforts on one way or another. Okay, so once they start putting efforts, some people learn, means highly, and other people learn okay for okay, I can survive, I can talk to someone, people can understand me, I can hold the conversation, that's enough for me. Because you don't know my circumstances, I don't know your circumstances, that how you do you get time for yourself. Right? So you don't need to have a low self-esteem. Try to give yourself a high self-esteem, that I am capable enough. I will not take any kind of stress. Ultimate, this is a language. One day, sooner or later, I will learn this. So this is a ultimate truth, I would say.
Yeah, exactly. Whatever you said, especially the line of gray line. Firstly,
Yeah.
they have to understand what's the person they are lacking and what's the things always hold them back. And
Hmm.
that when they know that things, definitely they will start doing work upon that.
Right.
So, yeah, whatever you said, ma'am, you gave me
1 minute.
the insight.
Yes, I'm so sorry. Actually, I am alone and someone was calling me over
It's
at it.
okay.
Yes,
I can understand being a mother.
yes, actually. Thank you.
Yes. So, nice.
Yes, yes, you can ask any question.
Okay. I wanna ask one thing, ma'am, because I also struggle with this. You know, mostly in my college time, my school time, about appearance and personality. Even though in education and academic you are very good, but people are ready to judge and they are very fickle about their opinion. Like they can change every single day, and this time they are very good at you, but this is not the true, only just because your appearance and your personality. So do you think, ma'am, like this language can enhance indirectly our personality?
Yes, absolutely. Even I realized this thing in my life when first I spoke this language in the hospital. The nursing staff was not giving attention on me. As soon as I started talking to in English, they gave me attention immediately in a jiffy. Okay, and the people were around me. They all was staring at me like I don't know what I have done, right? So sometimes if you have a good command over this language, people automatically feel that you are educated enough. Whenever I have to go somewhere and if I talk to in English, then people will definitely give you priority. Okay, you don't feel inferiority complex in you. You don't consider others as a superior because you have a capability. Language should be there, but knowledge should must be there as well. Okay, because if I know English but I don't have knowledge, someone is talking to me like what is going on in this world. Okay, what is going on, like if you will ask me some questions related to, ma'am, tell me what is going on at Jantar Mantar, I don't have knowledge, that how can I give you answer? Okay, like can my English works there? Not at all. So yes, English can change my whole personality, but if I have wisdom as well, right? Whenever I go to my daughter's school for parents teacher interaction, sometimes when I start talking to in English, then teacher listens to me carefully and give me brutally honest feedback for my daughter. Okay, and sometimes even I say, yes ma'am, please, I want, okay, I want this, I want that, and everyone sometimes they start giving me honest feedback. So it helps me in many areas. Like it impacts on my daughter as well. Her teachers gave her priority, that yes, her mother is educated, so if we will not put attention on her, so her mother will come and asks us so many questions, right?
Yeah.
So as you mentioned that you were during college days, yes, definitely. When I was in office, I was good at everything except English. I was not good in English. So that was the reason. Means I performed well. I worked day in and day out. But when my, boss called me when there is any event organized by my boss. So when the day come and my boss called me on the stage and he handed me the microphone, then I switched myself in Hindi, right? Not I wasn't speak because I couldn't speak. I wanted to speak in English, but I couldn't because that's why if I could speak in English, I would have more confidence at that time. The reason
Yeah.
behind that, I was not good at communication skills. That's why people didn't give me attention. They said, okay, she's good at other skills, but she's not good at communications, right? So your personality revolved around you, and your personality transformed once you learn this language. So this is my opinion on it. Yes, it can change our whole personality, I would say.
Yeah, and confidence at the same time. I think when you started to speak this language, I don't know, automatic it happens. Like some
Yes.
different, confident happens
Yes.
inside your heart that now I'm able to do this and I'm different from them. I can do this.
Yes.
And if I talk about on the stage, we are able to speak in Hindi. Itself, I can, make the ambience very good
Hmm.
if we have very good communication skill. But the fear inside of us, what is? I don't have command in this language. Only that things trigger into our mind that no, I'm not good at this. So that's why I'm not up to the mark. That's the I think that thoughts always holding us back because I know that things communication is different things. I think this language is different things. Like you told, whenever you try to speak or whenever you speak this language, people give attention.
Yes.
So, but don't you think sometimes it's unfair? People don't judge, don't judge, you
Hmm.
know, according to their language or this skill. Yeah, especially when it comes to the parents, because some parents are not able to, like, uh, you know, uh, give their opinion, sorry, and their thought or about their children. They are not able to speak anything in front of their teacher just because of this language. Always, and they are thinking if I will speak anything in front of their teacher, so they will think about me. I'm not good at anything, or I'm not well educated.
Hmm.
That's the things always, hits hard to them because I know there are lots of parents still, in my society, they always telling, okay, I have only the fear. Like I'm not able to speak anything in Hindi. I'm not telling about this language in Hindi. Still, they are not able to speak anything.
Hmm.
So it's only about communication skill and confidence. They are
Hmm.
not confident. Even they
Agree.
are, yeah. Even they are good at Hindi. It's okay, but the confidence on the problem. Confidence is the, I think, biggest thing in
Hmm.
the communication or any language. Yeah.
Right.
So
I couldn't agree more with you, but a highly intellectual teacher also, doesn't feel like this. If the teacher is highly intellectual, they will not judge a parent based on the communication skills.
yeah, I can
Speaking in
understand.
English, it's just a bonus, right?
Mhm.
It's not our, basic salary. It's a bonus. Okay, if someone can speak in English now, so yes, they can give you extra attention, but it doesn't mean that they will not give you attention also. I have seen, like my daughter is studying in CBSE school, so teachers switch themselves based on the parents. If the parent is able to speak in Hindi, then they switch themselves in Hindi. Later, if the parent is speaking in English, they switch themselves in English. So it doesn't mean that they should judge based on the, communication. A highly intellectual teacher doesn't do like this, I
Yeah,
would.
exactly. It happens, but I have seen that kind of problems.
Hmm.
And especially in my relative, like my cousin sister, when she went to her son's school, so they listened something. The teacher told something to her, so she was sharing that things with me. That's why I'm just correlating that.
Yeah,
So especially when the when higher personality and higher authorized people, especially when it comes to teacher, they should not means discriminate that kind of things.
yes, exactly.
Being a teacher, they have different personality and they should have different aspect related to their parents.
Right, right.
I'm not able to put across my thoughts,
No, no,
but
no problem. Don't criticize yourself. You're speaking very well.
okay,
You're,
thank you
you're
so much.
putting your thoughts well manner, no problem.
Okay, so let's jump into the different things now.
Okay.
So, ma'am, if I think you went through that kind of question, I want to ask if you are in any critical situations, okay, and you are alone, no one was there. So you have to call someone. So you can call maximum 3 people.
Okay.
So who will be that person and why?
Okay. Wow. What a wonderful question. It can stimulate my mind. Okay. But still, I have three people I can call them, right? Okay. So my mobile phone, it means I have my mobile phone, I can call them, right? So it's quite easy. Okay.
Mhm.
So yes, if I am in critical situation, first of all, I try to be calm, not be panic at that situation, because I already prepared my mind somewhere. Okay. Because after getting married, you already have a lot of experience. You already had gone through a lot of, critical situations. So somewhere your mind is prepared. Okay. But yes, if I am in critical situation, which I haven't faced in my life ever. So definitely, as I am living in the nuclear family, my husband always ready to pick my call. So first, I'll call to my husband. Okay. If he will not pick my call, then secondly, I'll call to my mother, because my mother always, my mother always keeps her mobile phone with her. Right. So yes, I call her. So if she will not able to reach at that particular destination, then I use my mind. I find some solution, and I find people around me as well. Then if someone can help me, because probably my husband and my mother will reach later. 1 minute, ma'am. I don't know what is happening today. Okay,
It's
so
okay. It's okay.
Huh. So yes, definitely. Then I will find people around me, and I will remember my God as well. Okay, because I am a spiritual kind of person. I believe in universe, and I feel if you call to God personally, wholeheartedly, then God always listens to your prayer. Okay, then definitely I have belief, immense belief towards God, and God definitely, sends a person who can help me at that situation. So yes, my mother and my husband, if they will not pick my call, then definitely God always there to help me. Meanwhile, I remind the God as well. So this is my answer.
Yeah, God is always ready to. It's the internal, confidence and the demand from the universe. Like this is always with us.
Yes.
So yeah, absolutely. And one thing more, like overnight, you got famous. Okay. And the first early morning, you are able to see that. Oh my God! Like it surpasses the millions. Million subscribers. Then, firstly, to whom will you call and inform? Firstly, this goodness.
Again, uh, first of all, here I wanna mention one thing. When I started my own YouTube channel, my mind, I prepared my mind that I wanted to open it only for the sake of learning something. Okay, to keep upgrading myself, I wanted to upgrade myself and achieve the fluency. So that was my goal, which I have been improving day by day, as you have also seen in some of my videos. I am not perfect, yes, but I am trying to keep updating myself. Apart from that, yes, if I one of my video go viral, so that one video can't define my personality, because I can't rely on YouTube. Okay, even
No,
if
just
my
it's a hypothetical
huh,
situation.
yes, yes, I'm just giving you answer as per my
Okay.
observation. So yes, it
Okay.
can't define my personality, but yes, if one of my videos go viral, definitely it gives me immense happiness that yes, my hard work showed by many people. Okay, so now I have to put more effort so that I can give people, you know uh, more things whatever I want. Okay, so first I would inform to my husband. Why? Because my husband gives me supporting hand always. He is an optimistic personality, and whenever I feel demotivated and I want to quitting my journey, he always motivates me that you should you should be aware that where you have started and where you are now, right? So he always motivates me, he always supports me. So definitely I will inform him first, then again my mother. Whenever I go to my maiden home, so if someone comes immediately in front of my eyes, so my mother always says that she's my daughter and she has her own YouTube channel, please watches her videos, right? Watch her videos, and she's putting her heart and soul. Okay, so please subscribe. Even my mother doesn't know how to say subscribe. Okay, so my mother means differently, like with the fumbleness, my mother says, please subscribe to my daughter's channel, like this my mother says, like this. So yes, definitely I'll inform my mother as well that he always prays for me, because nobody can replace mothers. Okay, so
Yeah,
first,
exactly.
right? So first I'll inform my husband. I would inform my husband and later my mother. They both are literally want that I would achieve something in my life, achieve big in my life, because I don't waste even a single minute in a day. I am running two YouTube channels, one of my husband's and one of mine YouTube channel. So means entire day I am occupied, my plate is overloaded, I am taking care of my daughter, household chores, everything I'm managing alone. So I think I should pat on my back and I should proud of myself that I am doing something meaningful in my life. So yes, this is my answer.
Not only you, ma'am, we're also proud of you that whatever the aura and the way you are influencing people. So I think like commendable, no doubts.
Thank you.
And lots of people they are motivating, and I can say me as well because I watched your video, like earlier video and now video.
Yeah.
How much competent you are analytics, not a single doubt.
Thank you so much. It
I think
means
I bombarded lots of questions already. If you have anything, then you can ask.
okay. So we have only 5 minutes left. Only one question I have, that when did you start? Because you also speak very well, and the aura you carry, it's also commendable. Your voice is melodious, I would say, and
Oh
you
my
have,
God.
yes, you speak calmly and politely. You are not in rush. So please tell me in brief that how did you carry that aura, please? Only 5 minutes we
Because for
have.
this compliment, it's a big compliment for me. I think it's a means a lot for me. So I started my journey 7 months ago through audio call.
Okay.
But if you talk about this journey, about YouTube journey, I started 2 months ago.
Okay.
Fortunately, I connected to video call and Siri application. Two person, one is from Chennai, his name is Madan, and one is from Prem Lata. She is from Chhattisgarh, and
Hmm.
we started to practice, daily.
Hmm.
So she gave me idea about this channel, and we supported to each other. She also started earlier. She was, but she was not think. Earlier it was not clicking to her mind that we should start like YouTube channel, so it will improve our communication in a better way. So I gave her idea, and firstly, she started that journey, and slowly, 2 months ago, I also started this journey. And on our initial journey, ma'am, I would say I was not able to speak confidently. Okay, I was, doing camera off, and I was speaking with her. Okay, this person I wanted to speak. Then she was making me understand. Okay, we can speak like this. Then she was recording that. So
Okay.
earlier we both are only having conversation. I had no guts to send any email to any co-learner. Firstly, I was thinking little bit I will be confident into this language, then I will start. So still like previous video, still I uploaded that. I haven't skipped anything because
Hmm.
it will be also learning for the others. Like I was not able to pronounce many words, many preposition, are wrong. There are lots of mistake I did in my many videos, but still I uploaded that because I wanted to see my journey, where I started and where I will be. So that's why whatever my journey, whatever I am learning every single day, I try to upload. But due to my office timing and duty, I'm not able to upload everything. But I am trying to be consistent on my channel, so I can little bit give some, some what I say, something for viewers so they can learn. They
Yes,
learn from me.
right, right. We should not hide our weaknesses. People often
Yeah.
show their strengths. People often show their, happy life, but they always hide the setbacks, challenges, right? What
Yeah.
kind of mistakes they are making while speaking. But if we show them, like, okay, if you will start, probably you also have to face such problems, okay? So you don't need to quit because it happens with everyone. Not you are not all alone. It can happen with you as well. So we should show them both parts of our life. Okay, weaknesses and strengths. People often
Yeah.
show their strengths. People often show their happy life, but they always hide the setbacks, challenges, right? What
Yeah.
kind of mistakes they are making while speaking. But if we show them, like, okay, if you will start, probably you also have to face such problems, okay? So you don't need to quit because it happens with everyone. Not you are not all alone. It can happen with you as well. So we should show them both parts of our life, okay? Weaknesses and strengths. People often
Yeah.
show their strengths. People often show their happy life, but they always hide the setbacks, challenges, right? What
Yeah.
kind of mistakes they are making while speaking. But if we show them, like, okay, if you will start, probably you also have to face such problems, okay? So you don't need to quit because it happens with everyone. Not you are not all alone. It can happen with you as well. So we should show them both parts of our life, okay? Weaknesses and strengths. So it can help.
Yeah, ma'am. Now I embraced that. I went through, lots of criticism. Then I thought, like, I have to work upon that because if I want to improve in my career, then I have to do that. So that's I decided, and now I am ready to face the all situation, and and everybody have to face the situation because it's a life is inevitable, I think. So
Right.
we should do every time out of the box.
Yes, exactly. And
No,
now
not
we are on the verge of finishing it. Okay, only half minute left. So thank you so much for joining me today. And I really loved exchanging ideas with you. Thank you.
thank you, same. Yeah. Thank you so much to you, ma'am. Like
Okay, then. Okay,
even
bye.
this opportunity.
I'm looking
Okay,
forward
bye.
to having more conversations with you. We will definitely connect
Definitely,
once.
ma'am. Then I will be more prepared for that.
Okay. Bye.
Okay, bye.